This morning started out in a bit of a, I don't want to say panic, but I just woke up to the sound of my dad talking outside. I was already awake. I was actually laying in bed watching a TikTok, and my dad was outside because they're gonna fix, it's a long story, but it's like the last little thing to do for, we got a gas line installed, and so that we could have a fireplace and gas heat. And it's the last step so that one day when we want to be able to have a gas dryer, we can do that. So this is just like, it's like not gonna do anything right now, but it's just finishing up the installation of it. So he's here with a plumber who's actually a family friend of ours, but yeah, I heard them outside. The only reason I even heard it is because my dad's phone like ringer went off, and I like know his ringer. So I was like, oh shoot, they're there. You know what is the best is when you actually have a ripe avocado to make avocado toast with. Also, I'm gonna use this hot honey. This is from Trader Joe's, but it makes it so delicious.
And that's
Hold on. Vlog?
No, I'm not dressed properly.
Good morning. I don't even know what I vlogged so far today because today's been all over the place. My dad was here with the plumber fixing our like dryer thing. Anyway, that's all done, thankfully. I helped him finish that. Now it's like noon and I've gotten nothing done except for I did get the vlog up. I had edited most of it last night. So that's up and I need to like post about it and stuff. But I have a bunch of things to do today, just kind of like I get my life together and hopefully decorate our bedroom. By decorate our bedroom, it's really gonna be like very minimal, but, oh, and actually, shoot, no, I can't do that yet because the wreath hasn't come. If the wreath gets here, I'm gonna decorate our bedroom. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. But I have like 4 loads of laundry to fold. I've gotten them all clean, but it just all needs to be folded. My office is like a disaster. This is all stuff that's not gonna take me very long, but I just need to like do it. And then I need to shower and stuff because the big thing for today is that we're going to this like botanical garden that does like lights. I'm very excited. I'm going with 3 of my friends, my sister and 2 friends, and they all have kids, like little toddler kids. So it's gonna be so much fun because I just think their kids are gonna love it. So I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. I think we're gonna get Chick-fil-A for dinner together beforehand. And I just think it's gonna be such a fun evening activity. Okay, so I just took a shower and I got ready. I'm gonna let my hair air dry because I have not been letting it air dry, and I think you guys, I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's these little pieces and they're so dry and they're breaking off because I've been putting so much heat on my hair. So I'm gonna let it air dry. I might curl it later, but we'll see how it dries. But I think the first thing I should do is go fold all that laundry because then I'll wanna put it away and all that stuff. I don't wanna like clean my room and then have to then have a bunch of laundry in here. So I'm gonna go get started with all that. I'm probably gonna put like a Christmas movie or something on. We gotta do our Christmas movie segment. Last night I watched A Country Christmas, which is on Netflix. So cheesy, but great, but a good one. Felt like it went by really fast, kept my interest. I mean, not shocking how the ending goes, but I really liked it. I love a cheesy Christmas movie, but I feel like I always have to be like, there's no cheesy because everyone else says that, but like I love a cheesy Christmas movie, so it was a win in my book. Still so far my favorite Christmas movie ever is The Holiday, which I hadn't seen until this year. No, not my favorite, my second favorite. My first favorite is White Christmas, but that's like a classic. I like put that in a different category, honestly. But The Holiday, it's a little cheesy, but it's got a little more substance to it, but I love it. I already talked about this in the vlog. So I think I'll pick another one to start. With Christmas movies, it's so nice because you can like start and stop them. Like you don't need to like pick up on every single detail. It's just easy. Either that or I'm gonna watch Gilmore Girls. We'll see. Honestly, I have kind of a headache and then I realized I haven't had much water to drink today. So I'm going to quickly make myself a liquid IV. I'd actually really like to make myself a hot cocoa. Maybe I will this afternoon, but I feel like I really need the hydration right now. These are the passion fruit flavor and they're pretty good. They definitely have that like slight fake sugar taste, which isn't my favorite, but my hair's actually drying kind of nice. Look at that. While I was folding my laundry, my sister FaceTimed me and was telling me that it's super nice out right now. So I'm gonna just go sit, we don't even have like a front porch, we have like a little front stoop. I'm just gonna go sit on that and drink my liquid IV. I don't know if I've talked about this or not, but I get chronic headaches and it's just something I've been dealing with. I've like tried different stuff. I actually tried medication, really didn't like that. Whatever, I've tried a bunch of different stuff. But one of the things that I think I could do better at is hydration. So I bought these liquid IVs because I just thought it's a kind of a way to like ensure you're getting some good electrolytes and everything. So anyway, oh, windy. It is literally the most beautiful day. I'm so glad we're doing something outside tonight. Also, still have my pumpkins. Some of them are looking really good. Some of them not so good, including this one. The deer have like eaten it. Anyway, and same with my, oh, there's a ladybug. Oh, that's cute. Same with my mums. We've seen better days. Okay, I thought I was gonna struggle with what to wear tonight, but honestly, this is my first try. I need to do my hair, but I'm wearing this green sweater bodysuit from Abercrombie. Jeans are Dia & Co. I forgot I had these, but honestly, they're great because they're like a more straight leg, but they're still fitted in the top. They're really comfortable. Belt is Old Navy, and I'm probably just gonna wear my little booties that are from Lands' End. I'll show you guys those. Doing a live on TikTok. This is superb lighting. We just stopped at Chick-fil-A, got our dinner and peppermint milkshakes that I'm hoping to bring into the gardens. We're going to Brookside Gardens if you're local, and we had to get tickets. We got them like a week or two ago, but I'm sure they still, I bet they still have some. But yeah, it was like 10 bucks, so it'll be so fun, right? Max can hardly wait. We got lost from our group, but it's okay. I think we're gonna find them. Friends! I just said the same thing. I was like, that was our best geography ever. Woohoo!
Let's take a group picture in front of the top.
How's your light walk experience
This
going?
is way better than I even expected.
Now that you're a mom, and this is gonna be the next 18 years of your life.
I'm legally obligated to do this.
Yeah, you are. Look, here's a
No, I'm happy to,
box.
especially when it's 65 degrees out.
Yeah, I know. This is like, we're like, is this what Florida's like? Where it's literally like warm with Christmas lights? A gazebo. All right, we just got home. It was so much fun. The lights were so pretty and everything was like kind of close together, which was nice. Like it was all one big area that you could just kind of like wander through. Our friends' kids came, they had the best time. One of them was like, this is amazing. It was really fun. Anyway, I'm super tired, so we're gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Vlogmas Day 4. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.